He's just saying go away.
Just tell Broida we're not going until his mom comes out.
I did. Alfredo! Just have your mom come to the door and won't leave. He's saying put the rifle away. He's saying put the rifle away. So he might have seen the bag or the launcher.
What she's telling us.
She's saying to put the rifle.
Because we have a launcher out here. I don't think we can get the rifle.
She's saying no, and then she's screaming, crying.
She's crying.
She's crying, saying no. Like she's being
screaming.
Based upon what the officers heard, they believe that the female inside of the residence was being harmed and forced entry. The following videos are from involved officers.
He has a knife to her! He has a knife to her! Put it down! Put it down! Put the knife down! He's trying to stab her! Put the knife down! Put it down! Put it down! Put it down! Put it down!
The following is from a different involved officer's body-worn camera.
Grab his legs and drag him off.
The following is from a different involved officer's body-worn camera.
Put it down! 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 Put it down now! Put it down! Put it down!
Escuchen.
Grab his legs and drag him off.